Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how Spocket pays you. But before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what Spocket is. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. This means that you can focus on marketing and sales, while Spocket takes care of the rest. So, how does Spocket pay you? Well, it depends on your role. If you're a supplier, you'll get paid when a customer places an order for one of your products. If you're a dropshipper, you'll get paid when you make a sale. Let's start with suppliers. As a supplier, you'll need to create a Spocket account and list your products. Once you've done that, you can start accepting orders from dropshippers. When a customer places an order for one of your products, Spocket will notify you and you'll need to ship the product to the customer. Once the customer has received the product, Spocket will pay you for the order. The amount you get paid will depend on the price of the product and the shipping cost. Spocket will also deduct a fee from your payment. Now, let's talk about dropshippers. As a dropshipper, you'll need to create a Spocket account and add products to your store. Once you've done that, you can start selling products to customers. When a customer places an order for one of your products, you'll need to place an order with your supplier. Once you've received the product from your supplier, you'll need to ship it to the customer. The amount you get paid will depend on the price of the product and the shipping cost. Spocket will also deduct a fee from your payment. So there you have it. That's how Spocket pays you. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.